crap.
Storm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, north central Highland County, and south central Ohio until 10 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Clinton County.
Holy crap.
Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and $50 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Melvin, Clarksville, Stunton, East Monroe, Bloomington, New Antioch, Oakland, Jasper Mills, Sabina, Cuba, Lees Creek, Reesville, Morrisville, Wilmington, Ogden, Washington Courthouse, New Martinsburg, Kingman, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68, and Callan Lake State Park. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 58.
There we go. I didn't expect that.